Correlative conjunctions are special pairs of words that work together to connect ideas in a sentence. Today, we focus on either ... or. This pair helps you present a choice between exactly two options. You pick one from the two choices given. Either ... or presents a choice between two options. It means only one of these two will be selected, not both. Use this structure when someone must choose exactly one thing from two possibilities. The basic structure follows this pattern. Either option A or option B. Notice either comes first, then the first choice, then the second choice. Here is a simple example. You can stay or leave, just two clear choices. Either ... or connects two equal grammar parts like words, phrases, or clauses. It offers a clear choice between two options only. Never put a comma between either and or. The verb agrees with the noun closest to it. Here are simple everyday examples. Either tea or coffee. You choose one drink. You can either study or play. Pick your activity. Either call me or text me. One way of contact works. Clear choices between two simple options. Now see longer examples. Either my mom or my brothers mow the lawn. Someone will do the work. Either we leave now or we miss the train. Time decision needed. You can go to the movies or stay home tonight. Evening plans choice. Watch subject-verb agreement carefully. Either my mom or my brothers mow the lawn. Brothers is plural, so use mow. Either you or your brother needs to leave. Brother is closer and singular, so use needs. Verb matches the closest subject. Remember the key takeaway. Use either option A or option B to present exactly two choices. Someone picks only one from the two options given. Practice this structure for clear choices in your English sentences.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.